Hello kids, welcome to the online English class. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Kids, as you all know, we always start our class with etiquette. So etiquette of this week is turn off the tap when not in use. Kids, as you know, water is very precious for us, so we should not waste it. You should always turn off the tap when not in use. And second etiquette, switch off the fan light when not in use. Children, you should always switch off the fan and light when not in use. So I hope you all will follow these good habits in your daily life. Now let's learn some GK questions. Children, our first question is, which is our national food? Tell me, which is our national food? Khichdi. Very good. Our national food is khichdi. Repeat after me. Our national food is khichdi. Next question. Which is our national animal? Tell me, what is the answer of this question? Good. Our national animal is tiger. Repeat after me. Our national animal is tiger. Okay. Now let's move to sight word. Children, tell me, which sight word can you see on screen? Put. Which sight word is written here? Put. Repeat after me. Put. Now let's move to our next topic. In our previous classes we have learned many times about use of a or an. Today we will revise once again. Children, before starting use of a or an, first I would like to ask about vowels and consonants. Children, do you know how many vowels are there in the English alphabet? 5. Do you know which letters are called vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Great. Now tell me, what are called these remaining letters? Consonants. These remaining letters are called consonants. Do you know how many consonants are there in the English alphabet? 21. 21 letters are called consonants. Now let's see use of a or an. Now look at this picture. Look at this word. Tell me, what can you see in this picture? Tree. Children, now look at first letter. Tell me, is the first letter of this word a vowel or a consonant? Consonant. First letter is T. T is a consonant. Tell me, what do we use before consonant sound? A or an? A. Children, first letter of this word is consonant, so we will use a before this word. A tree. Now look at this picture. See this word. Tell me, is the first letter of this word a vowel or a consonant? Vowel. First letter is I. I is a vowel. Tell me, what we will use before vowel sound? A or an? An. Children, when the first letter of word starts with a vowel sound, so we use an. So here we will use an ice cream. Now look at this picture. Tell me, what can you see in this picture? Book. Look at this word. Look at first letter. Tell me, first letter of this word is vowel or a consonant? Consonant. First letter is B. B is a consonant. Children, tell me, what we will use before consonant sound? A or an? A. Children, A is used before words starting with consonant sound. So here, book word start with letter B and B is a consonant, so we will use A before this word. A book. So children, I hope you all have understood concept of a or an. Now let's move to our main topic. Children, in our last class we have learned sound of letters E and A. So I hope everyone knows very well what is the sound of the letters E and A. Children, today we will revise once again about it. Look at the screen. Tell me, which letters can you see on screen? E and A. Here you can see these two letters separately. Children, can you tell me what sound we get after mixing the letters E and A together? E. Children, after adding these two letters together, we get the sound E. Children, here the first letter says its own name and the second one remains silent. Children, when we put E and A together, we get the long E sound. So, what sound does E and A make? E. The sound made by E and A is E. Children, now let's see some words of E sound. Now look at this word. Read this word. E-L. Meal. Repeat after me. Meal. Now see this word. Read this word. R-E-D. Read. Read. Look at this word. Read this word. N-E-T. Neat. Speak with me. Neat. Now look at this word. Read this word. D-E-F. Deef. Deef. Now look at this word. Read this word. Heat. Heat. Now read this word. Eat. Eat. Repeat after me. Eat. So children, here you can see that we are getting E sound in all these words. E as in meal, E as in read, E as in neat, E as in deef, E as in heat, E as in eat. Children, you will read all these words once again at your home. Now let's do some practice. Children, what do you have to do in this work? Complete all the words below by adding E sound. Here are some words that you have to complete with the help of E sound. Now look at first picture. Tell me what can you see in this picture? Jeep. So look at first sound. J. J, E, P. J. After J, we are getting E long sound. So we will write here E. We will write here double E. J, E, P. Jeep. So children, in this way you will complete this work on your own. Now it's time for homework. Children, here I have given a worksheet. You will complete this worksheet by using A or N before each word. So this is your homework. You will do this work by yourself. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye children.